I'm about to curl my hair and finish getting ready. I gotta put these little stickies on because I'm not wearing a bra with this shirt. But last night was really fun, and that water show was really cool too. It's crazy because at first we were out there too early and the show didn't start until 3, and we just standing there and it's like 1 o'clock and we was looking like, why is the water show not starting? We was out there too early, out there at 1 o'clock, and it started at 3. But we finally got out there later to see it, which was really good. So that's what we had ended up doing. That was pretty cool. Okay, so I just curled my hair. I did not have the patience to do little pieces, so I just did big curls, which is why it's a little sloppy. And then I did the same thing with this side. I just did big curls. I also put some lashes on, and I also did my eyebrows. I'm about to get dressed. All right, y'all, so I'm done getting dressed and ready. This is the shirt, and here are the jeans that I'm wearing, the shoes that I'm wearing. If I can pull it up, they look like this. So these are the jeans that I'm wearing with the white shirt. Here are the shoes, super cute. They're just clear and tan. I got the fossil one. Yeah, and I got my other gold bracelet. I really like this outfit. It's really cute and simple. Right now we're just waiting to eat. We're in this really cute place. It's called the Cocktail Garden Wine and Dine. We're just waiting for our server to get here, and then we'll order drinks, we'll order food and everything. This place is super cute. I'm also gonna make sure I put in a video of what it looks like around me, because it is really cute. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy myself, eat, drink a little bit, and then I'm gonna get on here a little later and update you guys on what I'm doing next. Okay, so I got a pink sangria, got my ice water with lemon, and also some truffle potato chips for the appetizer. Okay, so the food finally came. This is steak skewers with some flatbread on the side. These are lobster and avocado flatbreads. Looks really good. Okay guys, so I just wanted to do a check-in. It's Friday morning, it's about 10 o'clock. Today is our last day here. Last night I didn't really record much, but it was more so just like walking around, eating, going to different places and checking stuff out that we didn't get a chance to see before. More so about to just shower. I already brushed my teeth and washed my face already, so I'm gonna shower, get dressed, and then we're gonna check out. So I'm gonna check in a little bit with you guys. So just showing you guys that I'm pretty much all packed up. Got my phone charging. I have just like the last minute stuff that I plan on wearing, and this will be my personal bag with just, you know, last few items and things like that. But other than that, pretty much ready to go. Just gotta shower and get dressed. Okay, so we already ate and we checked out and everything, and we decided to, you know, walk around and do some more stuff. So right now we're at like a restaurant. It's about 2 o'clock, so we're about to do happy hour, have some more drinks and appetizers and stuff, and just like enjoy the weather because it's really nice out here. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a little bit. Waiting to get on the high roller.
Congratulations, you made it to the top. 550 feet above the Las Vegas Strip. You are now a true high roller. To appreciate how high this is, look out the window. You're higher than the Eiffel Tower, at least the Las Vegas version. You're higher than the Statue of Liberty, and that's the Vegas version on top. You've surpassed the heights of the ancient pyramids in Egypt, as well as the not so ancient pyramid on the Strip.
let us clear the boats. We're going to make sure everything's safe before we get home, okay?
Yes.
I remember where we're at. Ground left side, I could.
Veni